FT also. Yes, any one of you have done? How many of you have tried at least? Like to know. Yes, quickly in 2 minutes, I would like to revise what people have done. Have you done, tried, or not tried only?
Yeah, sir. So what is S31, sir?
Yes, we are not audible. Can you just speak loudly?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, now I can.
Yeah, sir. What is S31, sir?
S31, what you got?
I assumed it to be 0, sir.
0. Oh, you tell with confidence it is 0 only.
Oh,
Huh?
yes, sir. And
Yeah, it is
S32
0.
is
Okay, then the
S.
product S31 into pi 1 of t is also 0, right? Because
Yes, sir.
since
Yes.
S31 is 0, fine. Then what
Yes.
about S32?
So S32 is 1 from T by 3 to 2 T by 3.
Yeah, t by 3 to 2 by 2t by 3 it is 1 you got. Huh?
Yeah, so that is into phi 2 of T.
That is what. Pi 2 of t is how much?
Phi 2 of.
It is not 1. I think you have gone wrong somewhere.
So phi 2 of T is root 3 by T, sir.
Yeah.
And then when you multiply S32 into phi 2 of T, we get 1.
No, but what is the value of S3 of S32?
So value of S32 is root T by 3.
Root t by 3, right?
Yeah, sir.
S32 is root t by 3, and the value of pi 2 of t is root
Root
of
3
3
by.
by t, right?
Yeah, then we get 1, sir.
Then you get 1 over the period t by 3 to 2t by 3.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the value of G3 of t?
So G3, I mean, we would get the equation S3 of T minus S31 phi 1 of T minus S32 phi 2 of T. But
Yeah,
S31 phi 1 of T is 0.
yeah,
So we get only two terms, sir.
yeah. So
And then
what?
G3
Can,
of T would be 1 from
yeah,
2T by 3 to T.
very good, very good. Yeah, G3 of t will be equal to 1 over the period 2t by 3 to t.
And the final
Then
answer
you can
by.
find out its energy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the energy?
T by 3.
Yeah, energy is t by 3. Okay, then it will be, what is the pi 3 of t? It will
Root
be
of
1
3 by
by
T.
root of t by 3, which is nothing but root of 3 by t, right?
So what's the range for that?
Yeah, its limit says from 2t by 3 to t, na?
Yeah, correct, sir.
Because energy of the signal exists over the interval 2t by 3 to t. Because G3 of t exists over the interval 2t by 3 to t. Hence, the duration of pi 3 of t is from 2t by 3 to t. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. At least Kuber is telling the answers. What about others? Yes, I'm asking other people. How many of you have tried? So as of now, only I'm finding 40, 42. Hmm? Yes, quickly. Quickly, people should respond. Shreyas, have you done?
Yes, sir. I got S32 as same, but I did mistake in S31, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. At least you have tried and fine. You have applied your mind. Good. So similar to that, yes, quickly I want response. See, I don't want to spend much time in this only, right? Because already 10:45, it is 8:45. Let me complete the further things. I need some response. People should say, yes, I have tried. Means, see, Kuber has told and Shreyas is telling he has got some answer correct, something mistake. Huh? Similar to that, I wanted response from other students also to know their interest. I think so. Others are not responding means they have not tried. Is it so? For the entire class, only 2 students have tried. Yes, sir. Come on, respond quickly. Akshay Kumar have tried. Okay. Only 3. But other people are doing great job sitting at home. Huh? You people should involve na, in learning. So this is the time where you can learn things better and apply your mind. take interest. Already it is the known process, right? You have studied these things in the fourth semester subject, linear algebra. I don't know how you have studied. Maybe there it is. You might have studied only the mathematical point of view, but now you are going to apply those concepts with respect to your signals, right? So all these you can think of, it is a pulse, right? Whatever given S1 of t, S2 of t, S3 of t and all is a digital signal. Okay. It is a digital signal. And how we are going to relate these things. And I said, what is pi 1 of t, pi 2 of t and all, basis functions, why we are expressing these energy signals in terms of basis functions. All these will be very useful in further modules, I said, the next upcoming concepts. So I feel, see, motivation is if you people respond well, if you interact more, then I will also get more interests. I can still say better. Actually, I wanted to teach this with MATLAB. Okay, after line coding, I wanted to show you by executing in MATLAB. But if this is the response, how can I get that motivation? Huh? Yes, what is the problem? Around still 50% of the students have not yet responded for the assignments. Assignment 2. Then assignment 1, I think still around 17 people are there. Yesterday when I checked with the GCR, which is not correct. Okay, let me not spend time. So you want me to solve this for, or shall I take up another example? Yes, quickly for this also people should respond, not because I got response only from 3 people. Whether you all wanted me to continue to solve that problem till the end, or you want me to take up another problem, I'm asking. Yeah, that also you can't respond, yes or no.
Continue, sir.
Shall I continue with the next example?
No, sir, this one only. Finish.
This one only, okay. What, Naurin, you didn't try?
Sir, I did, but it is not matching the answer.
Okay, fine. At least you should respond, so that I will come to know that okay, people are working on this. You kept quiet, so I thought you are not tried. Okay, so I think this is the problem what I have taken. Right, this is all fine. Finding in the first step. Okay, for any given this Gram-Schmidth orthogonalization problem, in the first step, what you need to find out? You need to find out the energy of the signal S1 of t. Okay, after finding energy of a signal S1 of t, then only you will be able to find out the value of pi 1 of t. Because pi 1 of t is equal to S1 of t by root of E1. Right, where E1 is the energy of the signal S1 of t. That is why we need to start finding the energy of a signal S1 of t. Okay, after finding pi 1 of t in the first step, but the second step is we are defining what is the intermediate signal. I said it is G2 of t, which is equal to S2 of t minus S21 pi 1 of t, right? In this, we need to find out first, means we need to find pi 2 of t, na? So for doing that, the formula is this, pi 2 of t is equal to G2 of t divided by square root of energy of the signal G2 of t, right? So I said what is G2 of t? So which is equal to S2 of t minus S21 pi 1 of t, isn't it? So what I mean to say here is, first we need to find out what is S21, right? So S21 is equal to, this is the formula, right? So 0 to t, S2 of t, pi 1 of t into dt. I know what is S2 of t. It exists for what interval, and what is pi 1 of t already I found out. So based on that, by substituting the values and the limits, I found that the value of S21 is root of t by 3 over the interval 0 to t by 3. Right? After finding S21, which this S21 has to be multiplied by pi 1 of t, right? So I found the product. Then, so I found S21 pi 1 of t. Then what I said, G2 of t is this, right? S2 of t minus S21 pi 1 of t, right? So I am finding what is G2 of t. So I wrote here S2 of t. I said better to do with graphical representation. Okay, then only the picture will be clear or limits and other things. If you do it just looking at the mathematical equations, you may go wrong while writing the limits. That is why first I wrote S2 of t, then I wrote S21 pi 1 of t. So I clearly understand if I subtract S21 pi 1 of t from S2 of t, see 0 to t by 3, its magnitude is 1, right? So even S2 of t magnitude is also 1 from 0 to t by 3. So it is 1 minus 1, it is 0, right? Then from t by 3 to 2t by 3, the value of S2 of t is 1, but the value of S21 pi 1 of t is 0. Hence I can write G2 of t is 1 over the period t by 3 to 2t by 3. Okay. So once I find G2 of t, then I can find out what is the energy of that signal by using this formula, which is 0 to t, G2 square of t into dt. Here limits I need to substitute for G2 of t because it exists from t by 3 to 2t by 3. Hence I have taken integral limits as t by 3 to 2t by 3. So with that I got energy of the signal G2 of t as t by 3, right? So after finding the energy of the signal, then I can substitute in the equation by 2 of t, which is G2 of t divided by root of energy of the signal G2 of t, right? Which is 1 by root of t by 3, which can be written as root of 3 by t. So over what interval? I said it is interval t by 3 to 2t by 3. And I represented that graphically. How I can express. Always you need to represent all these things graphically. Okay. So, okay. So till this I thought in the previous class. So now let me go further. Hope till this everything is clear. Or do you have any doubts? Yes, I am asking you people only. Till this, do you have any doubts or is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. I think it takes more time to hear signal from your end to my end. Okay. So as I said, the next step is we need to find out pi 3 of t, right? The third step is finding pi 3 of t. Yeah. In the third step, I said we need to find out pi 3 of t. No? So for finding pi 3 of t, so the formula will be what? It is pi 3 of t. I said we need to find out pi 3 of t, right? So pi 3 of t will be equal to, it is G3 of t, right? Divided by square root of integral, okay, 0 to t, then G3 square of t into dt, or I would have written just the energy of the signal G3 of t, just EG3, okay, fine. So what is G3 of t? Yes, anyone of you can say? How can I write G3 of t? Expression for G3 of t quickly.
S3 of t minus
Yes.
S31 of t minus S32 phi 2
So
of t.
yeah, just let me write the generalized expression for Gi of t. So which is equal to what? Gi of t is Si of t, right? Minus summation j is equal to 1 to I minus 1, right? Sij, then pi j of t. This is what the expression, no? Generalized expression for Gi of t. So to find G3 of t, I need to substitute I as what? 3, right? Then I get G3 of t. Yeah. Okay. So I can write G3 of t. Yes, Girish, can you tell man what can I write for this G3 of t? Girish. Yes, Girish is there. Girish. If I scroll up, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, I am asking Girish to expand this when I equal to 3. Yes, Girish, are you there? No. Yes, Chandrika. Chandrika is there? Chandrika is also not there. Okay. Yeah, Neeraj. Yes, Neeraj.
So I'm there, sir.
Who? Chandrika. Then respond. No?
So it was
I'm
slow, sir.
saying when I substitute I equal to 3 in the above equation,
Yes, sir.
can I expand this? Can you just tell the expansion of this equation? So
Uh,
G3 of t is equal to S3 of t, no doubt. Yeah. Next here the value of
Summation
I is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2, right?
2. Yes, sir.
Either you can, yeah, you
Summation
can
J equals 1 to 2, sir.
1 to 2, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, summation J is equal to 1 to 2 because I minus 1, I is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Then yes,
S,
Ij.
one,
Yeah, I
3
can
1s.
write yes. Okay, I think let me write it general, then I will come to the next stage. One more step I will write. Okay, fine. So now I think you can tell me the expression. Yeah, so first one is what? S3 of t. Yeah, now if I substitute j is 1, so now I is 3, right? So S3 1, right? J is 1, right? So I can write S3 1 by 1 of t. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Next is again I is 3. Now j is 2, right? So S3 2, then pi 2 of t. Yes, hope you got this point.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so G3 of t will be this. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to find out S31, then S31 into pi 1 of t. Similarly, S32, then S32 into pi 2 of t. Then I can subtract from S3 of t to get G3 of t, right? So I'm scrolling up. Hope people might have noted this. Yeah. So yes, Ananta, can you say what is the expression for finding S31 man? Ananta. How do I find S31? So my next task is to find out S31. Yes, Ananta is there, I feel. Ananta. So no Ananta. Yeah, see, putting message will not help now. I'm asking you to respond, right? I'm asking you to tell what is the expression for S31. Yes, you can't talk, Ananta. Okay, so ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ mic problem ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡೋದು. Yeah. Next, who can say? I will give it to open. S31. Yes,
Sir,
quickly. Yes.
0 to t
Yeah.
S3 phi 1 of t dt.
Yeah. Integral 0 to t, right? S3 of t, S3 of t, pi 1 of t into dt, right? Pi 1 of t into dt. So which is equal to what I can write? See, S3 of t. S3 of t exists over what interval? S3 of t exists over t by 3 to t, right? T by 3 to t. But pi 1 of t exists over the interval 0 to t by 3. So from t by 3 to t, it is 0, right? So can I Yeah. So let me write integral 0 to t by 3 s3 of t, right? Phi 1 of t into dt. Then from t by 3, right, to t by 3. From t by 3 to, is it from t by 3 to 2t by 3?
No, sir, to T.
It is t, na? Yeah. Yeah, what I think from t by 3 to t, the value of s3 of t is 1, but the value of phi 1 of t is 0, no? So I need not write that limits. I can leave it to this point only. Is that fine? Yes, I'm asking, is that fine?
Yes, sir.
If I write just limits from 0 to t by 3, because till 0 to t by 3, the value of phi 1 of t exists. After t by 3, the value of phi 1 of t is 0. Hence, I can write only the limits from 0 to t by 3, right? So, with respect to that, okay, I think let me write, okay, plus what I wanted to say is from t by 3 to t only, no? S3 of t exists till t, right? If I'm correct,
Yes, sir.
is it fine? Yeah, t by 3 to t. Then let me write S3 of t, pi 1 of t into dt, right? And I know the value of pi 1 of, means the value of S3 of t is 0 till 0 to t by 3. Yes or no? And the value of pi 1 of t is 0 from t by 3 to t. Hope
Yes,
I
sir.
am clear. Hence, I can say S31 is equal to 0. Okay? Hope this point is clear.
Yes,
S31
sir.
is equal to, yes.
Sir,
So you can write 0 into pi 1 of t into dt. Similarly here, S3 of t into 0 into dt. So which is nothing but 0 only, right? Since S31 is 0, right? I can say S31 pi 1 of t. Okay, therefore S31 pi 1 of t will be 0. Okay, so similarly, so let me find out next. So I found out this product, right? Sorry. Okay,
sir,
I found, yeah.
sir, here you have taken two limits now, so 0 to t by 3 and t by 3 to t. But the same
Yeah.
thing we did not do in step 2, sir. We only took the limits of phi 1 of t. If we were gonna take S2 of t limits, then it would have been, we would have had 0 to t by 3 plus t by 3 to 2t by 3.
In step 2 for finding what?
For finding S21, sir.
S21.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
There,
S21.
yeah, S2 was from 0 to 2t by 3 and phi 1 of t was from 0 to t by 3. So we took only from 0 to t by 3.
Fine, man. See, yeah, even if you take, that is S2 of t exists from 0 to 2t by 3, no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Yeah, if you take two limits, that is from 0 to t by 3 is one limit, then another limit is what? T by 3 to 2t by
2t
3.
by 3.
But so from 0 to t by 3, of course, S1 of t, not S1 of t, so S2 of t is 1, right? And you will get a pi 1 of t, right? Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Then
Yes.
from t by 3 to 2t by 3, the value of pi 1 of t is 0, no? And then its product will be 0, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Huh? So here just I expanded and I've shown.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
for
Yes.
both the signal limits. So next task is we need to find out what is S32. Okay. Then find out S32, then you have to find out what is S32 into pi 2 of t. So for that, if I scroll up, is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So what is the formula for S32? How do I write the S32 formula?
0 to
Uh,
t.
okay, you wanted to say, okay, fine, man. So
Yes, sir. It's
S32,
okay, sir.
yeah, I think so. I wanted to talk to other people also. I think that they are not
Yeah.
responding now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
what about Karunya? Karunya is there. So it is a big challenge for me to again, I have to change the window, I have to see the people face and then I have to ask. So whatever the name comes to my mind, if I ask, they should respond. Yes, what about Chandana? Chandana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you see you're not finding whether teacher sir is there or madam is there? Huh? Okay, I am asking you to just say how do I determine S32? What is the formula I can write? S32?
0 to t s3 of t phi 2 of t dt.
Yeah, integral 0 to t. Yeah, can you repeat? Yes, I'm asking you to repeat. Yes, what happened? Chandana. Okay, integral 0 to t
S3
is
of t
3
phi 2 of t dt, sir.
is 3 of t, then pi 2 of t into dt, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here S3 of t and S3 of t exists over t by 3 to t. And what about pi 2 of t? Pi 2 of t exists over t by 3 to 2t by 3, right? So I can take the limits from where to where? Is it possible to say quickly? Yeah, 2, I can split
3
and
by
write.
3 to 2, 3 by 2.
Yeah. So to simplify, I can take the limits from t by 3 to 2t by 3, right? Because till 2t by 3 only, I have pi 2 of t, right? After that, pi 2 of t is 0. Hence, I can take the limits from 2t, from t by 3 to 2t by 3, right? And the value of S3 of t is 1. And the value of pi 2 of t is what? It is root of 3 by t. Of 3 by t into dt. So, which is equal to what I can write? Root of 3 by t, then upper limit minus lower limit. That is 2t by 3 minus t by 3. So, which will give you the value of what? So, how much I will get?
Root t by 3.
Root t by 3. So, I can say root
So
of
won't the limit be t by 3? Won't the limit be t by 3 to t because S3 is 0 from t to 2 to t by 3?
Pardon, can you repeat?
So won't the limit be t by 3 to t?
Yeah, if I take the limits t by 3 to t, but pi 2 of t exists only over what interval? Pi 2 of 2 exists from t by 3 to 2t by 3, right? From 2t by 3 to t, it is 0. Yes or no? Yes, hope you are getting, Noreen.
I got
Pi
it.
2 of t. Yeah, pi 2 of t exists over the interval t by 3 to 2t by 3. Okay, that is why after 2t by 3, its value is 0. That is why I have taken till 2t by 3. So t by 3 to 2t by 3. Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So I can write square root of t by 3. Okay, over what interval I can write? That is from t by 3, right? T by 3 to 2t by 3. T by 3 to 2t by 3, and it will be 0 elsewhere. Okay, so this is my S32. Then now I need to find out what is S32 into pi 2 of t, right? So S32 into pi 2 of t. So what can I write? This is my S32. So S32, its value is what? Root of, right? Root of t by 3, right? From t by 3 to 2t by 3. And the value of pi 2 of t is what? Root of 3 by t, right? Root of 3 by t. So over what interval I said? This is over when t is less than or equal to 2t by 3 and greater than or equal to t by 3. Okay. So for other value, it is 0. I can say it is 0 elsewhere. Is it fine? Okay. So with this, so root t by 3 into root of 3 by t can be written as what? If I scroll up, is it fine? Yeah. So root t by 3 into root 3 by t.
1 1.
Okay. Yes, what can I write? Root of t by 3 into root of 3 by t. It will be
1.
1. Yeah, over the interval t less than or equal to 2t by 3 and greater than or equal to t by 3. And it will be 0 elsewhere I can write. Right? So this is my S32 pi 2 of t. S32 into pi 2 of t. Okay. So now I need to find out G3 of t, right? So for finding G3 of t, just I will write here graphically all the signals. Okay. Yeah. So first let me write S3 of t. Is that fine? So this is my S3 of t. Any one of you can say it exists over what interval? S3 of t. Yes, quickly.
T by 3 to T
S3
by
of t. Yeah, it exists from t by 3 to t, right? So that is a value of, sorry, yeah, S3 of t. Okay, similarly, I can write this product S32 into pi 2 of t. Because S31 into pi 1 of t is 0, right? So I need not mention that since it is 0. So it is S32 pi 2 of t, right? Okay. I think this exists over what interval? That is from t by 3 to 2t by 3, right? If I take this as t by 3, then take this is 2t by 3. So over this interval is 1, right? Its value is 1. And what about this? This value is also 1. So now I wanted to write for G3 of t. So G3 of t is what? S3 of t minus S31 pi 1 of t. As I said, S31 pi 1 of t is 0, right? Then S32 pi 2 of t exists for this interval, right? So how do I draw G3 of t based on these two diagrams? G3 of t. So this is the common this one, right? So this much is common. I think I can say if I subtract 1 minus 1 will become what? 0, right? So that is from t by 3 to 2t by 3, it will be 0. Hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Then from 2t by 3 to t, only I will get a signal, right? Yes, hope this picture is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this clarity you will get only if you write like this. Okay, as I said. So its value will be 1. Okay, I think I can draw that. From from 2t by 3 to t I can write. Okay, so this is my G3 of t, right? Yeah, so let me write mathematically. So G3 of t will be equal to, right, will be equal to 1 over what interval? When t is less than or equal to t and greater than or equal to 2t by 3. Okay, and it will be 0 elsewhere. 0 elsewhere. So what will be the energy of the signal? Energy of the signal G3 of t. I think yes, Sovik, can you say what is the energy of the signal? Sovik.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have written what is G3 of t. Can you tell me how do I find the energy of the signal? I denote energy of the signal as Eg3 of t. Okay, or just Eg3. Yeah, quickly. First tell the formula. What is the formula for finding energy of the signal? Or Sovik Roy? Are you there with me? Yes, so what about Tipana?
Sir, integration 0 to t g of
Yeah, integration 0 to t.
g3
Yeah.
square, sir, of t into
G3
dt.
square of t into dt. See, this is a very simple formula. Energy means you have to integrate over the interval of that signal and square it. Okay. So here G3 of t we know exists over what interval? From 2t by 3 to t. That is why I need to change the limits. Okay. So I need to write the limits is from what? Not from 0 to t. It will be from 2t by 3. Okay. It will be from 2t by 3 to t. And over that interval, the value of G3 of t is 1. So 1 square into dt. It is 1 only, right? So you all know how to find simplify it, right? So upper limit minus lower limit. So that is t minus 2t by 3. So which will give you what value? Yes, at least the simplification can tell na t minus 2t by 3.
T by 3.
It is?
T by 3.
It is t by 3. Okay, t by 3 over what interval it is? From 2t by 3 to t, right? So now I can say what is pi 3 of t, right? So pi 3 of t, yeah, I think right here. So pi 3 of t, I can write pi 3 of t will be equal to what I said. It is G3 of t, right, divided by square root of the energy of the signal G3. Just I am writing EG3. So which is equal to what is G3 of t? It is 1, right? And energy of the signal is t by 3. I can write this square root of t by 3, right? So which is equal to, yes, what can I write? It is, can I write it as a root of 3 by t?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can I? Yeah. Yeah, over the interval t, that is 2t by 3 to t. 2t by 3 to t, and it will be 0 elsewhere. So this is my pi 3 of t. Okay, so I can draw graphically. So this is the time, right? And can take. So this is my pi 3 of t. So I think I can take the limits from 2t by 3 to t. Okay, it exists from 2t by 3 to t with a magnitude of root of 3 by t. Root of 3 by t. Okay, so this is pi 3 of t. Okay. So there are 4 energy signals: S1 of t, S2 of t, S3 of t, and S4 of t. As I said, S4 of t is not a linearly independent signal. It depends on 2 signals, that is S1 of t and as well as S3 of t. Hence, I don't have to find out pi 4 of t. Okay, or you can try also. You just try after this class, maybe in the leisure time, find out G4 of t the same way. Okay, so you write the expression for G4 of t, what it is, that is S4 of t minus, you'll get something, right? Then try to find out what you will get, G4 of t. Then you just check what pi 4 of t will get. Okay, right? So in a nutshell, what I wanted to say is, I found the basis functions. Now I can express all these 4 energy signals in terms of these 3 basis functions, right? So just to have a recap, I will just write here all these 3 basis functions. Okay. So I think somebody can help. What can I write for pi 1 of t quickly?
Sir?
Yeah, pi 1 of t.
Sir,
Just I'm
it will be
redrawing here at one place. This is my
0 to t by 3 with a magnitude of root 3 by t.
yeah 0 to t by 3, right? So with a magnitude of
Root 3 by t.
yeah root 3 by t. Thank you.
Sir,
Similarly,
what
pi 2 of t.
about 5
Ah,
4 of t, sir? 5 4.
that is what I said now. In the same way, you write the expression for G4 of t. Okay. Then you can find out pi 4 of t, right? Just see whether it exists or not.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, sir. Yeah.
Ah,
Sir,
yeah, pi
also
2 of t.
you told I'll tell you why I had written S4 of t is equal to S1 of t plus S3 of t.
Yeah, I said no, because S4 of t is not a linear independent signal. Okay, it depends on 2 signals. That is, one is S1 of t, another one is S3 of t. Right. So by adding S1 of t and S3 of t, I will be able to write S4 of t. So here the task is, means the Gram-Schmidth orthogonalization procedure is what? We are determining the orthonormal functions for linearly independent signals. Okay, so S4 of t is not a linearly independent signal. It is a dependent signal that can be obtained from other 2 signals.
Oh, okay, fine, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, pi 2 of t exists for what interval to what interval?
T by
T
3 to 2t by 3.
Yeah, t by 3 to 2t by 3. 2t by 3, and its magnitude is what? It is root 3 by t, na? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, is it root 3 by t? Root of 3 by t?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So already I wrote here what is pi 3 of t. Okay. So pi 1 of t, pi 2 of t, and pi 3 of t. These are the three basis functions, right? So I can express these signals, energy signals, that is S1 of t. Okay, S1 of t is equal to what I said. It is S11 pi 1 of t, na? If I am correct. Yes, is it so? Can I write S1 of t is S11 pi 1 of t? And what is S11 I got? Which is root of t by 3, right? Root of t by 3 into pi 1 of t. Yes, hope this is clear, this point. S1 of t. Okay. So similarly, other signals also I can express in terms of these orthonormal basis functions. Okay. 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 Yeah. So I said it is root of t by 3 into pi 1 of t, which is my S1 of t. Okay. So similarly, S2 of t is what expression I wrote? S2 of t. Yes, S2 of t. Yes, what is the expression I can write for S2 of t? Already people have forgotten. I expanded the summation equation. Na?
S21 pi 1 of t.
See, S2 of t will be equal to what? I said it is S21 pi 1 of t, right? Plus what?
S22 pi 2 of t.
Yeah, S22 pi 2 of t, right? So we know what is the value of S2 and S22. We can substitute and express this in terms of that basis function, right? So hope is it possible to say what is S22 quickly? What is the value of S22? S21. What is the value of S21?
Root t by
This
3.
value of S21.
Root t by 3, sir.
Root t by 3, right? So let me write root t by 3 into pi 1 of t, right? Plus, what is the value of S22? Yes, S22. So what is S22? It is G2 of t divided by pi 2 of t, na? And G2 of t is 1 and pi 2 of t is root of 3 by t. So I can say S22 is root of t by 3. Yes or no? Yes, specifically, you want me to tell that S22 is equal to G2 of t by pi 2 of t like that? So I can say S22 is root of t by 3, right, into pi 2 of t. So this is how I express S2 of t in terms of the orthonormal functions. So similarly, the third signal, that is S3 of t. Just quickly, any one of you can say what can I write for S3 of t? S3 of t, similar to S2 of t, it is S31
S31 5 1 of t plus S32 5 2 of
Yeah.
t plus S33 5 3 of t.
Yeah, S32 by 2 of t. Yeah, plus. Yes, S3 of t, S31 pi 1 of t plus S32 pi 2 of t plus
S3353 of t.
S33 by 3 of t. Right? So just substitute the value of S31, S32 and so on, and you can express S3 of t. Similarly, I said for S4 of t, right? So since I said S4 of t is equal to S4 of t is equal to S1 of t, right? Plus, yeah, S1 of t is what? S1 of t plus S3 of t, no? So just substitute the value of those two, you'll get S4 of t in terms of those basis functions. Okay? So this is how we express the M of finite energy signals in terms of n orthonormal basis functions. Okay?
So what is S33?
That's what I found. What is S31 and what is S32? Just think, S33 is what? So S31 is what? S3 of t by pi 1 of t, right? Yes or no?
The S31 will be 0 now.
That is what. Yeah, this is 0 because S31 we got in the calculation, it is 0. So S31 pi 1 of t will be 0. Then S32, what is S32?
Root t by 3.
So you're substituting that value, right? You want me to write that?
Yeah,
This
only
is
S3.
0. Okay, you substitute these two values. Fine? Yeah. So let me stop with this.